This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with AndroidAppsReview.com, and today we're taking a look at Persist Plus, which is a way to manage pretty much every aspect of your Android device's volume settings. It's available to download from Google Play for $3.99. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. So basically the way Persist Plus works is it's kind of like an if this then that app. And if you've used Tasker in the past, you are kind of familiar with how that works. Basically what you do is you set up parameters, which in this case are presets, where you essentially tell Persist Plus if this, meaning like if, I'm in this location, it's this time of day, this kind of calendar event, then set my device's volumes to these settings. So like if you're in a meeting, you set your device to mute, or basically something along those lines. So this is the main screen of Persist Plus. It's where you can view your current settings along with presets that you have set up. Over here on the left is volume settings that are active right now. So anything that I do here right now affects my device without having to have any sort of preset open right now. This is here and now stuff. Over on the right is where you have presets that you've set up, and just to show you real quick, all you need to do to activate a preset is tap on it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through creating a preset. All you have to do is tap the plus button, give your preset a name, so we'll call it silent. And also, right next to the preset, it's kind of a tiny button. If you want, you can give your preset an icon. So go ahead, just an easy way for you to recognize it. So this is where you add settings, and you can see there's a whole long list of things you can do, and it will take a bit of trial and error to figure out basically what affects what, and it might take a little while to get exactly what you want, but everything is here. And let's say for a time schedule, we'll say between 11:23 p.m. and 11:28 a.m. is when our preset is going to take place. We're going to add settings, and we're going to say at this time, well, basically between these two times, we want volume all the way down. Essentially you can do this, say system volume all the way down. But because we have to potentially get up at a certain time or something, you can say your alarm volume is going to be all the way up. So we'll maximize that. That's about as high as it'll go. And basically, you've set up the preset to say between 11 p.m. and 11 a.m. Everything else about the device is silent except for your alarm. And there are a ton of different things you can do. That's certainly not the only parameters you can set. There's a plethora of things that you can add to this to make it your own. So go ahead to save the preset, hit the check mark, and to activate it, tap on it, see the little confirmation saying that your preset has been applied. Persist Plus also comes with a few handy widgets that you can configure. This is one of them. This is the more detailed widget where you can have a bunch of different settings available on your home screen. Essentially at the tap of your finger, you can actively adjust volumes right from the widget. There's also a handy little 1x1 widget. Show you real quick. You can see this is basically your one-touch widget. Change a bunch of different things up here at the top. Basically, quick way to silence your phone, turn up volume, anything like that. Again, Persist Plus is available to download from Google Play for $3.99, and there's also a free version available if you want to give it a trial run. This has been Sarah Hanlon with AndroidAppsReview.com taking a look at Persist Plus. Till next time.